Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel, Relax.Cut.Glue. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you all here with me today. So today I'm going to be working in my Birds and Blooms glue book. I haven't worked on it all week and I am itching to play. So I have just a bunch of squared off images here from free flower catalogs as well as Birds and Blooms magazine. Let's just find a page. Oh gosh. Oh. Okay. This is a hummingbird sticker, but it's slightly shiny and I thought there was a bug on it. Like I thought it was like something crawling out of me because I saw the reflection. Anyways, sorry, I'm a spaz today. As opposed to every other day, Nicole. Okay. I get it. I'm a spaz. All right, this was the last layout that we did, and I freaking love it. It's my favorite one I've done, so that was exciting. Let's just skip to right here. Ooh, look how flat that opens up. I did take some pages out of this glue book, or composition book, rather, and I'm really loving it. I'm so glad I did. I usually don't. This is rare for me to do so, but I really liked it. I think I might do that more often. Okay, let's get to gluing. I think I'll do a double again today. Let's do another doubler. Double page layout. All right, and we're gluing. Today's supposed to be so nice. Yesterday was fantastic. It was like a high of 63, but it was a high of 63, but felt warmer, I guess you could say. You know what I mean? Like some days, I don't know, don't feel like the actual temperature that it is, but yesterday it did. It felt really nice. I really liked it. Okay. There we go. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I had these two larger images, and I have another dragonfly one. So I thought about, let's do this. We'll go halfway on, halfway off again. Yeah. And I can glue stuff over the tops of this part too if I want. Do I want to do that? No, I did that last time, so we'll do something else. Let's just put a bunch of flowers down. Why not? Why not? You guys, I'm sorry, not yesterday. Next week will be my YouTube anniversary. I can't even believe it. It will be 4 years of YouTube next week. Isn't that nuts? I can't even believe it's been 4 years. It feels like, I don't know, 2.5. I don't know. It doesn't feel like 4. I mean, technically it's still 3. But yeah, it seems odd. Let's get some birds in here. I was thinking I might do all flowers and then add birds. Do I want to do that? Maybe I will. Let's just do all flowers. I mean, why not, right? Does this fit like perfect right here? It does not. Ooh, let's use this big one right here. Ooh, I like that. Maybe I should go, I think it goes this way, yeah. I think I'm going to split it down the page to join these two together. In matrimony. They're registered at Pottery Barn. Oh my gosh. What is wrong with me? I am, despite my quirky attitude today, I am very fatigued. I had a very hard time even getting into my craft room today. So I just played a bunch of upbeat music to try and kind of trick my body into thinking that it's time to have a dance party and wake up a little bit. That doesn't really help, but in the moment, it does give me just a little spark of energy. It's already dwindling. I can feel it. Fatigue is like the worst part about having fibromyalgia for me because I'm so used to the pain. Like I can handle the pain and still do stuff sometimes, but the fatigue, I hate it. It's the worst. Okay. There's no rhyme or reason as to why I'm putting anything where I'm putting it. I'm just having fun and putting things where I want them to be, I guess. I don't know. Let's put this right here. That's going to make for an interesting situation right there. I'm down for it. we'll see what we do. Four years on YouTube. Dang. I wasn't sure I'd still be doing it by now. It's been a wild ride. Okay, what else should we add? Oh, I like this. It says a feisty flyer. Should we put the little feisty guy down here? Really love my gladiolas. Oh, let's put another gladiola right here. Yeah, I like the color. My gladiolas are starting to pop up. I see greenery. I'm excited. I get so excited for them to grow, and then they do, and they're gone so fast. But I do thoroughly enjoy them while they're here, and so do all the hummingbirds in the neighborhood. That's my favorite part. And bees, lots of bumblebees and stuff, which I don't mind, like a honeybee and that kind of stuff. It's hornets and wasps that need to kick rocks. Not a fan. Ooh, a little oriole. Let's see, what else? What else? Ooh. Purple. Okay. The reason why, like, some of these fit or don't fit and I could cut them down, but I have so many cutout images. I just try and find ones that I don't want that. That's not colorful enough for me right now. That's not what I'm going for. Ooh. No, I think I'll wait for like a little bird picture for right there. I do have this bird watching lady. That might look kind of cute there. And she is looking up at that bird. Let's do that. Why not? Okay. Sounds good to me. Okay, we'll just put her right. First of all, she's way crooked, so let's fix that. She's still crooked? Yeah, I don't think so. All right. Moving on. Why is this in here? Wrong bin. That's weird. What's this? Same with that. What in the world? Okay. These are all very tiny. I don't want tiny images. What's this one say? Hometown Darling. Maybe. Ooh, a cardinal. Oh my gosh, I love this little, the little blue jays just always look so cranky to me. I love it. Maybe I'll put one right there. What's this? No. Ooh, just blue. That's kind of pretty. That might be something different. Let's see here. Oh, look at this cute little dog sniffing some flowers. I like that. Ooh, that's pretty. The butterfly. Yes, I want that for sure. Ooh, look at this. Big rose. That's pretty. Maybe put that right there. Sorry, I just wanted to grab like a few that I really liked. Ooh, I like that one too. What do we have here? No, no, maybe, no. Ooh, not on this page though. Maybe, maybe, too big, too big. Okay, so let's work with some of these we have here. I know for sure I want to use this. I'm going to put the rose over there first. I have so many fun glue books going right now. So many different styles and themes. Really fun. So my main ones I have going right now are my random glue book in my composition notebook. That one's almost done. I've been working on that one for a couple years now. And my big random glue book, I have that one going. And then I have my big cereal box glue book. And I have this glue book and my in mask glue book. Those are all like my active ones. I have tons that are not finished because I just rotate around. But those are like my 5 or 6 main ones that I rotate through during the weeks. Let's put this right here. Do I want to do that? I don't know. What's this? Ooh, that's pretty. No, I don't know. That one just doesn't work for me. Ooh, that might look good there. Okay. Why am I struggling right now? I don't know. Let's see here. Okay, I'm going to take this big purple one and put it right here and then cut off the excess, and then I'll save the excess pieces. Where do I want to do this? Actually, I want more of the purple and less of the green. So let's cut a chunk of this off. Okay, that works better. And I'll save that little slice for another piece. Okay, and we're gluing this part right here. We'll just let that overhang for a minute and dry, and then we'll cut it off. Okay, and then I was thinking we could put this right here and then just cut off the top as well. Oh, I also have this greenery. It fits pretty much perfect right there. So let's use that as a filler piece. So yesterday I was looking into driver education classes for Jackson because, you know, it can help with insurance and all that kind of stuff. Oh my gosh. Holy moly, are they expensive. Oh my gosh, I was like so shocked at how expensive they are. Yikes. Like, I knew they were spendy or whatever, but I think 4 classes, and each class is an hour and a half of driving, so that's a good chunk of time. But a 4-class package is $900. Yeah. I'm like, that's crazy. Don't know what we're gonna do there, but we'll get it figured out. We will. It'll be worth it in the end, though, for him, because it'll make his insurance better. Or more affordable, at least. Do I want to do that right here? I really didn't want to cut the tops of these off, but you know what? I'm going for it. I feel like I need to. I'm just doing it. Let's just go for it. So yeah, we have to figure out what we're doing with that. And Bob's gonna talk with our insurance agent tonight and see what the best avenue will be for that. So yeah, so one class, 1 hour and a half session is $300 or $295 or something like that. Yeah. And then 2 hour and a half sessions is $500. Kids, man, so expensive. All right. And I have this big flower. Ooh, well, that just fits there nicely. Oh, not as nicely as I wanted it to, but ooh. Let's put this one right here. We've got tons of gladiolas on this page. I'm loving it. I think one of the things that I love about this glue book is the amount of color. I think that's why I like it so much. Like, the birds and insects and flowers and nature. I don't know. It's just very colorful and pleasing to the eye, at least to me. Okay, how did I want to do this? I think I wanted to go all the way to the edge. Bring it down. There we go. And over. Over. There we go. Okay. Nice. Mom, she's touching me. That's what I think of every time I see like bird photos like that. Okay, let's put this bird here, but I'm going to cut a little bit off the edges so I showcase more of the bird, less of the foliage. If you have not done a glue book like this, I highly encourage you to do it. It's so fun and easy. You definitely have to just trust the process, go with the flow. Ooh, do I want to put a little hummingbird right here? I do already have a little bird right there. Ooh, this might actually fit. Oh no. Let's see, what else do we have here? Okay, let me gather up my pictures here. That way we can go on to the fussy cut parts. That's the best part. Ooh, this might be perfect. Well, that was meant to be, so that's happening. It's exactly the right size. Crazy. Okay, let's grab all of these. So many. Ooh, this is kind of neat too, because this is like it has all the words of, maybe I'll put that so I don't have two birds right by each other. This is a word find that was in the Birds in Bloom, so it's all gardening words. Okay. Ooh, that might look really cute somewhere. Let's keep that one out. Okay. All of these beautiful flower pieces can go aside. Oh my gosh, my little grumpy blue jay. I love him though. I might keep him out too. Okay. And maybe those two in case I want to add those. Okay. Let me actually trim around the edges really fast so that everything's cleaned up and ready to go. Okay, we have everything all ready to go. So let me glue in this little square right here. I love it when it's all cleaned up and ready to go. It looks so nice. Actually, you know what? I might bring this down just a skosh. There we go. Okay, that looks really nice. Now I have my fussy cuts, and I kind of wanted to use one of these bigger ones. I kind of now wish I didn't put that lady there because I kind of wanted to use one of these, but now it'll cover everything. So I guess I won't be using one of those. Or that. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. But that covers pretty much everything, so. Ooh, we definitely need to add a butterfly. We'll be adding one of those. Ooh, maybe right there. What else do we have? Oh, here's another gladiola, because they're just freaking everywhere. Ooh, let's put it right there to kind of join those two together. Yes. We're just gluing as we go. Which is my favorite way to glue because I feel like it forces me to make a decision. Okay. There we go. That looks nice. Yeah, I like that. Okay. And then what else do we have here? Oh, we could add a bird. We have this one and this one right off the bat. They're both red, which will be nice because I do have a lot of pinks and purples and stuff. So, should I put it right there? Maybe like that. Maybe no bird. We'll hold off on that. The butterfly's going somewhere. I already know that, so I'll put them on the rose so I remember. I just don't know where yet. What else? Oh, here's another little birds and blooms thing I could add to. Okay, we'll put that right there. Here's the stinking apple. Never gonna use. keep trying to put it places, and I don't think I want to add another like bird thing right there. What's this? Oh, a little flower. That might be cute. Let's see, what else? I do like the word butterfly, grow a garden. I like that. Birds and blooms. I like that. Ooh, this might work. Oh, that covers my gladiolas. But Nicole, that's the point. You need to glue stuff down. No. Can't do it. That's not working for me. Okay. Giving gardeners. I don't know why, but I really like that. I feel like it ties in some of the black. So let's add, I really like this right here. So I'm going to add that there. Okay. And grab this really quickly here. I think I have this up too high. Oops, 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 oops. I did not mean to do that. Oh, well, that's just how it's going to have to be now. Okay. Giving gardeners, and then I don't know if now if I want to put grow a garden, since I could put grow a garden right here. Kind of like the white right there. What other words do I have? Connect with nature. That might be, oh, that might be cute right here because of the, no, I could put it right here though. No. That might look nice there. Okay, we'll put that there. Connect with nature. Okay, and then, ooh, I got a glue string on my arm and it felt like a spider web. Let's add the butterfly where I want it to be. Should I put it here? Should I put it here? Ooh, I like it right there. Okay, that's happening for sure. Oh, Sherman's snoring so loud right now. Don't want to ruin the little antenna there. There we go. Ooh, that looks so nice. Okay, I like that. Should I put butterfly right here? Okay, now I want something up in this corner. So let's look at, could put one of these birds like that, and then I could put this apple. No, ew. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot I had these birds up here I wanted to try to incorporate. Okay, so I could do that. I didn't really like that. What about this? Just right in the middle there. Like that. And then I need something little, like a little. Okay, what if I added this leaf right here? Do I want to go this way with the leaf? Maybe like that, and then I could add something with it. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Hold on, you'll see my vision. Okay, so we'll go like this. Get a little leaf there. And then I can add that, or maybe I should add this birds and blooms right there. Let's do that. Okay, so we have a little, I need more overlappage on this, I think. Okay, so we have that, and then what does this say? Is this what says birds and blooms? Put that right there. Actually, maybe I'll put it right here in the foliage so it kind of like blends in, so you see it but you don't. It's not like in your face, since I already have that right there. Okay, and then I have this flower, which I was kind of thinking I could put right here, and it just kind of breaks things up a bit. Or I could put it right here. I actually kind of like it right here. Let's cut it in half, and then I can use it twice. Or maybe not half, maybe like 2/3. And then I can use the other part somewhere else. All right, we'll put half of it here. That kind of breaks that up a little bit. And then the other half we could put, I could put it over here too. I just don't think it looks as good as it does. Okay, I'm just gonna put it right there. Life's too short, just glue it down. Glue it down and run with it. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, there. Now I got more image, more out of my image. Okay, what else? Maybe I'll add this little bird right here. That actually looks pretty cute, so we'll do that. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. So the other day, the glue crew already knows this because I told them yesterday, but the other day I wore my hair in space buns. If you don't know what that is, it's like 2 buns on top of your head, like pigtail buns. So anyways, I was wearing the other day and they look super cute. So I was like, you know what if I get one of those like fake hair scrunchies, you know, so that I could make my little space bun look even bigger and better. So I ordered them and I put one on my hair, and it was the most hideous thing I have ever done. I laughed so hard, I almost peed my pants. I'm not even joking. And I only did one side, and then both my boys were in their rooms at the time. So I went to Jackson's room, and he was trying so hard not to laugh or to say something mean. And it was so sweet. And I'm over here with my legs crossed, laughing hysterically because I'm about ready to pee myself. And then I go to Andrew's room, and it's like they're trying so hard to like say something nice. And it looked so bad. It was like a nest of, like a bird nest of hair. And it just like, first of all, the color didn't match at all. So that was also a problem. But it just was like this big puff of like super ugly hair sitting on top of my head. It was so funny. So if you're ever wondering if you should get one of those, I would say no, just pass. If it's too good to be true, it's probably just not worth it. It's so funny. Needless to say, I'm going to have to return those. They were hideous. Okay, I have gardening, birding. Oh, we should put the birding by her. What's this one say? Gardener on a mission. Yeah, I've got already things that say that. So let's put birding. Still laughing about it. It was so funny. I'm going to put that right there. I've been wanting to get rid of this stupid flower since I cut it out. Do you ever have images where you're like, you cut it out and you're like, ah, I just wasted all my time on that. I don't I just ripped it in half. Are you freaking kidding me right now? It's going together. You little stinker. I blame the flour. Okay. Even though that was totally my fault. We'll just... I don't even know how you go now since you're broken. Let's see. Just little plastic surgery is all. I got this. I got this, man. Okay, that is not at all how I had it. But that's how it's going to have to live now. All right. Well, you can kind of see the scar, but you know what? Whatever. Which one of us doesn't have a scar? So, you know what? We'll put birding right here. There. And it covers the scar. Perfect. When in doubt, glue it out. All right. There. Now you'll never freaking know. Except for you. Shh, don't you say nothing. Don't you telling people I've got a little scar right there that I'm hiding. Okay. Do I want to add gardener? No. Grow a gardener? No. I'm still thinking about my hair bun. Oh my gosh, they were so bad. Oh my gosh, they were so bad. I don't really want to cover that, but I kind of wanted to add, I want to add something. I still want to add things. I wonder if I should add that right there. Should I add the apple right there? No, I don't. I just think I need to remove the apple from my basket. I'm not using it. I don't care for it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'll put that right there. Next time Jackson's gets on my nerves, I'm going to be like, listen, I'm going to pull up to school wearing these nappy hair buns. In my bathrobe, and I'd be like, Jackson. I would never do that to my kid, but I do like to threaten that I would just for funsies. We just deal in our house with humor and sarcasm. That's just how we get through life at our house. So they know I would never. My boys are mama's boys. We're very close. I would never embarrass them on purpose like that. Okay, should I add... I feel like I need to add some right there. I just don't have what it is. So I'll just wait and do that on a different day when I know what it is that I want to put there. You know what I mean? Know what I mean, Jelly Bean? I also want to put something up here. I could put the butterfly right there. No, I don't like that. I don't like it. No. Okay, well, not bad. Maybe I should grab some of my bee stickers. I do have some of my hummingbird stickers here. What I do with my bees. Okay, let's add some of these bees. I'm obsessed with them. I need to be gentle because last time I ripped one in half on accident. That really drove me nuts. Let's put a bee right here. Kind of break that up. And we'll put one right here. This is so fun. I could do this all day. All day. I love glue books. I love stickers. I'm basically like a child. Do I want to put... Let's just put one right here. Okay, I think we're good there. Hummingbird, do I want to add a hummingbird? No, I think I'll save a hummingbird. I do have the ladybug stickers. Maybe I should add one of those. Let's see. Ooh, and I love that it's clear, so I can just... Ooh, I want to put that one right there. I can already tell. Gently. Gently. There we go. Sticky. Holy smokes. I need my tweezers. Where are those? Yeah, that's fine. We'll just put this one right here. There, that's cute. A couple little ladybugs. And then I have these snails too, which I'll probably go through and add when I'm done because they're kind of raised a little bit. And then I have these bumblebee ones too, so those are super cute. Okay, that looks so good. I love it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. All right. Where's my lid?
All right, everyone, that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. It really means the world to me. If you wouldn't mind, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. I would love it if you stuck around. Don't forget to drink your water. It is so important. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, friends.